I'd say that was pretty much perfect for what we're about to do after this.
Gonna go float. Yeah.
Be floating away all day.
Yeah, we're going to do a little river float after this. Okay, awesome. I'd say let's just keep it going. It's sounding great. Your house.
We got another original tune for you guys.
This one's called The Change.
Couldn't close his on another chapter. Despite the pain, I can still hear the laughter. Lifetimes they lived out their songs that they sang. Crystals and sage help assist with the change. When did this all become okay? Though I've been trying for years to find a better way. This time I know there's nothing else left to hold. It's time to just let go. It's time to just let go. It's better not to be alone. Future goes like a lion in a cage. The injustice